I'll be honest, most lead magnets fail miserably at getting clients. You spend hours creating them and they fill up your email list full of freebie seekers. After generating 1000 plus email subscribers and helping 100 plus people do the same, I can say this. I cracked the code on what makes a lead magnet not only build your email list, but also help you get high ticket clients. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 features every successful lead magnet should have and 5 proven lead magnet ideas that you can steal right now. But first, you need to understand this. There are 2 different lead magnet types, personalized and non-personalized. The first one is personalized. And this one works better if you are a beginner or if you have no experience or results yet. So you can either send a free work of your service or you can send a loom to give free advice that's personalized. But if you have some experience and results, I would prefer a more scalable lead magnet. These are what I call non-personalized lead magnets. And you can go one of 2 ways with this. So let's say your solution includes multiple steps to achieve the dream outcome, and with the first category of this lead magnet, you are just giving away one step of the solution in a complete way, or the other way that you can go is you can give away all the steps but not in full detail, so that in either case people can just buy your product or become a client to get the full process. These lead magnets are amazing because you can create them quickly and now people can experience your solution without actually giving the full price but just giving away their few minutes. So they can see if they can trust you or not. And this creates a smooth buying decision. Okay, now we are talking about these kind of lead magnets. These are the 5 features of high converting and scalable lead magnets. The first one is instant gratification, because people are always searching for that quick solution. These type of lead magnets give them a quick win, and these can be consumed under 30 minutes. A few examples are some templates or some checklists and things like that. And the second feature is solving a specific problem. It should solve one clear problem and it should also demonstrate a clear transformation. And it would be even better if you have measurable results to show in this lead magnet. And the third one is premium positioning. So your lead magnet should basically feel like a paid product. It should include some unique insights that they can't find easily online. Another way you can do this is positioning your methodology different than others. The fourth feature that successful lead magnets have is the natural bridge. So the lead magnet should act like a natural bridge between your content and your offer. So after they see your free lead magnet, now if your lead magnet is good, they will think that if this is free, what will I get with the paid version? So that's the type of effect we want to create with the lead magnet. And the last feature is clear implementation. When people consume your lead magnet, they should have a clear idea of what to do next. Because without clarity, people can't take action or experience any results. And you can do that by step-by-step format or clear action items after every step. And you should also cut the fluff and just get into the actionable insights. And it's also better to add visuals because visuals create more clarity, and also no one wants to just read a 100-page document without any visuals. Okay, now we learned what makes a lead magnet great, and now we are going to discuss what kind of lead magnets we can create with these principles. The first one can be a checklist bundle. For example, you can create a daily content creation checklist or a client outreach checklist. These are perfect because people can just consume these easily and get the benefits fast. And this makes them great for busy creators. And the second one is the framework breakdown. In this lead magnet, you are breaking down your signature process in a step-by-step way so that people can see your full process and they can actually understand what you are doing and why you are doing it. This is great for showing your expertise and also convincing people that you have the whole process dialed in. And the third one is the template pack. In this type of lead magnet, you can give away your DM scripts or content templates or any other thing that you created out of a good performing thing and you templatize it. These are also amazing because they are ready to use and people can just plug and play their systems so that they can experience the results without too much effort. And the fourth one is the case study breakdown. These are also amazing for getting clients because now you are breaking down a client result that you generated and now people can see the behind the scenes of what you did and now they can understand that you are the type of person that generates results. This is great because now people can just see the proof and also see your system that generated the proof. The last type of lead magnet you can create is the quick start guide. These are great for beginners because they are mostly procrastinating on what to do And now with your quick free guide, you can just create clarity for them and help them start and take action. So there you have it. These are the 5 features that create a high converting lead magnet, and also these 5 ideas that you can implement today. But remember, the lead magnet is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need to know how to position it perfectly and also drive traffic to it and also use it to actually convert subscribers to clients. That's why I want you to click the first link in the description to watch my full guide on how you can build a magnetic personal brand that attracts clients. I'll show you my complete system on turning strangers to high-ticket clients with my content system that sells. Click that link now and I'll see you over there.